Hello viewers, welcome to the standard 10 subject science. In our previous video, we have started the chapter number 2 acids, base and salt. In this video, we are going to learn the topic reaction of metallic oxides with acid with the help of activity 2.7. In our recent previous video, we have learned the reaction of acid base with the metals and metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate with the acid, and in our recent previous video we have learnt the reaction between acid and base. It means the neutralization reaction. In this video we are going to learn reaction of metallic oxides with acids with the help of activity 2.7. So let us start the activity. Here is the video for this activity. First of all, take a small amount of copper oxide in a test tube or a beaker. Then we will add the dilute hydrochloric acid slowly while stirring. So we will add dilute hydrochloric acid and we will stir it. Note the color of the solution. What has happened to the copper oxide? You will notice that the copper which was in insoluble form in copper oxide has reacted with hydrochloric acid and formed a soluble salt with the chloride ion from the acid and formed copper chloride. The solution now contains copper chloride. When metal oxides react with an acid, metal oxides form a salt with the negative ion of the acid. CuO plus 2HCl, it gives CuCl2 plus H2O. And you have noticed the color of the solution becomes blue green and the copper oxide dissolves. The blue green color of the solution is due to the formation of copper chloride in the reaction, and the general reaction between a metal oxide and an acid can be written as metal oxide plus acid, it gives salt plus water. In this activity we have taken as metal oxide CuO, and then we have added the hydrochloric acid, so we are getting CuCl2, it means the form of salt, and we are getting the water. So the equation summarized as metal oxide plus acid, it gives salt plus water. So in this video we have seen the reaction between metal oxide and acid with the help of activity 2.7 as named in your textbook. Hope you have understood very well. Thank you.